Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tassy Love, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I crimp this hair. This is a 13 by 4 lace frontal wig with 3 bundles of 30-inch hair. So if you guys want to see how I get my crimps in my hair, you can continue watching. Okay, so let's get started. So first things first, I'm going to start from the back of my hair, and I'm going to be using these clips to take my hair out of the way. I'm going to start from the back of my hair, and I'm going to use clips to take the rest of the hair out of the way. And I'm going to be using my heat protector spray, and I'm just going to spray this all over my hair. So you guys, I thought it was recording and the camera wasn't on, so I went ahead and I crimped part of my hair already. So I'm just going ahead and show you guys how I did it. So I'm just going to be taking a piece of hair out, and using my clip, and I'm just going to clip the hair that is out of the way. So I'm going to be combing the hair out, making sure that it is clear. So I'm going in with my bed head crimper. I got it from Amazon. I'm going to leave the link below. So I'm just going ahead and clamp it onto my hair. Make sure that your hair is smooth and no tangles. And I'm just going to leave it for about 30 seconds. And then I'm going to release it, go down a little bit, and crimp it. So I'm just going to be doing this over and over until I reach the bottom. So and you guys, I so love crimps, especially like in the summer, springtime. They look so cute. Crimps are like on my top list of my favorite hairstyles. I like my top favorite. So I'm just gonna release, go down, go down. And there you go. So I'm just gonna do this all over my hair. guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely love Crimps. Let me start up so I give y'all a full look. So this what it's giving, you guys. So this is the end of the video, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget that I am trying to reach a goal of 1,000 subscribers. I would like you guys to help me out, to share this video, tell a friend, text a friend, to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of good content coming, and I want to reach my goal to the end of August, so I know you guys can help me doing that. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Bossy Chica, and follow my hair page at Maiden's Lid. So I'd like to say again, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, be a part of the family. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.